So as you can see, we have successfully added a new page to our WordPress website, and this is the featured image of the page, and this is the content of the page. We have also added a link to an external website. If we click on this demo, then it will redirect us to the Google website. We can redirect it to any of the website which we want. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel on WP Punch. In this video, we are going to learn how to add and create pages to our WordPress website. If you are interested in learning how to easily create a website using WordPress, then consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get all the notifications whenever I upload a new video. So without further any delay, let's jump into the video. So first we need to open the XAMPP control and start the Apache and the MySQL services in order to use the WordPress website on our local host. So go to the web browser and then in URL type localhost / the name of your website and hit enter. It will open our WordPress website. Here it is. Well, in the previous video we have successfully installed the theme, and as per your need and requirement you can install any of the theme easily, and we have discussed it in the previous video. So if you have not watched that video, then consider watching that video and then jump to this video. And now in the second tab we will open the dashboard of the WordPress website. For that, just type localhost / the name of your website / wp-admin. It will open the dashboard. Here it is a dashboard of our WordPress website. So in order to create a new page, you can see there is an option called pages in the left hand side, and it is showing us the two sub options, all pages and add new. We need to go on all pages, and here it is. It will show the two predefined pages that are present in the WordPress website provided by the theme itself. So there is an option called add new. If you click on it, then it will redirect us to the page where we can add a new page, and here it is. It is asking us for the title, and in this block we can add content to this page. So whatever content we want to upload in this page, we can type it here. So in add title, just type the title of the page. For example, I want to create a page about contact us. So this will be the title of the page, and in the block just type anything. For example, I'm just typing this is for demo purpose. So in order to increase the content, just simply copy and paste this. So here it is. So in the right hand side you can see various of the options. If you go to the document, it is showing us various of the options, and it is also showing us a featured image option. By clicking on it, it will allow you to add any image if you want to add in the page. So just click on set featured image, and it is asking us to upload an image. Click on select files and then click any of the image you want to upload. For example, I want to upload this image. Click on open and then click on set featured image. So this image will appear whenever we will open the contact us page as a featured image. So below there is an option called discussion. So it is asking us to allow comments, whether to allow comments or not. Don't worry, we will discuss about the commenting in the later coming videos. So right now we are skipping this part, and the second option is the page attributes. So if we want to add a parent page for this page, then we can select that page. So right now we don't have much pages, so right now we are skipping this part. So the another option is layout. For example, if we click on custom, then it is providing us various of the options. If you click on that, then you can see the visible changes that may appear. So as per your need and requirement, you can select whatever the style you want your text to appear. So just I am clicking on default right now. So now if we see here, there are many options that are available to edit the text. For example, we can make our text bold, italic. We can align our text to left, center and right. So the main option here is that we can add a link to any of the word that we want. For example, we want to add the link to the Google website to this demo word. So just select it and then click on it. and here you can just simply type the URL of any website which you want to redirect by clicking on this word. So I'm just typing the Google URL, and then just click on it if you want to open the new website in the new tab. So I'm clicking on it and then click enter. So now the URL to this demo word has been added to the Google website, and here it is also showing many of the options. You can explore these options by yourself. These options are used to edit the text of the page. For example, if we want to create heading, then we can simply use it, and if we want to create list, we can simply use this option. So right now I am just skipping this part for you, and you can simply just click on publish button, click on publish, and now our page has successfully been published on our website. So if we go to a website and then click on refresh button, then you can simply see that the contact us page has been appeared here, and if we click on it, then it is showing us the contact us page. This is the featured image, and this is the content which we have provided on our page. So if we click on this demo button, and it will redirect us to the Google page. So we are now closing it. So in this way you can add page to a website, but in many of the themes there is a problem that directly the page may not appear in this menu bar. So in that case what we have to do is we have to manually create the menu. For that we need to go to the dashboard and then just click on the appearance and then click on the menus option. So what we have to do, we have to manually create a menu and then add the pages which we have created in order to make them visible on the website. So right now, first of all, just type the name of the menu, whatever you want. I'm just typing the menu itself, and then click on create menu. So it will create a menu, and then from this you can add any of the pages which you want to add to this menu. For example, I want to add both of these pages, so click on contact us and sample page, and then click on add to menu. So now these pages will be added to this menu, and also these are the draggable, so we can also drag the positions of the pages as per our needs and requirement. So I'm just putting this like that, and then you can simply click on save menu. But here are also some other options. There's an option called auto add pages. It means that whenever we create a new page, then it will automatically add that page to this menu. So if we click on it, then it will automatically add the pages in the menu. Otherwise you may have to manually add the pages to in that menu. So if we click on it, then it will automatically add pages, and it is also asking us the position of the menu, display location, the primary menu, social menu, and the footer menu. So you can choose any of the menu as per your requirement. The primary menu is the main menu which appear on this. This is the primary menu, as you can see. So right now we are just clicking on save menu. So this is the process which you have to follow if you are not able to see the pages directly without creating the menu. So just click on it, and now you should able to see the pages here. So just click on the contact us. This is the contact us page, and if you click on this sample page, this is a page provided to us by the theme itself. So we have successfully added a new page to our WordPress website. So in the next video we are going to learn how to add posts and categories to our website. So if you are liking the videos, then don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell in order to get all the updates related to my videos. So you can also comment down if you have any doubts and suggestions. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.